Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the Adobe Express app. Let's begin. Using the Adobe Express app is straightforward whether you're designing on your phone or tablet. As you can see, you have two options here. You can download the Adobe Express as an application in your desktop by clicking on the download option here, or if you want, just click on the view in store or open the store app if you wanted. That will lead you to the Microsoft Store, wherein you will be forwarded here, wherein you just have to log into your Microsoft account, click on the get button, and what will happen is it would ask you to install the file. Once installed, it's going to be part of your plethora of Adobe applications here in your machine. All right, that's one way. Now, another option that you can do if you wanted to use the app on your phone or tablet. Now, you can go to the search section here, wherein you can search the Creative Cloud and type in Adobe Express for an easy access. You see that? That's going to be the web application. Click on launch. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to the next section. You have the Adobe Express on your mobile. You can quickly and easily create standout social graphics and more, or go to the web, which is here. You can also use the Adobe Express not only as a standalone app, but as a web page. Click on launch, and it functions similarly to the Adobe Express application, wherein you can browse thousands of amazing design templates to begin your work. If you want to upload your own content, just click on this button. Go to template section. Of course, you can choose from any of the following that you wanted to begin designing your own. For example, we're going to use this new merch. Click the customize template, and from here you can simply edit all of these together here. All right, and create an amazing design using this platform called Adobe Express. You can change the image right here. Maybe add a video, add a media, maybe a video here as the background instead of the static image. Let's use this for now. Let's delete this background right here. Let's click on this background. Once you're happy with this, you might want to click on download to download this amazing design that you have created here in Adobe Express application. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.